Glass Vice Fixed Vertical Batten Screen System. Fix the floating timber deck with anchor jack and J-Vice mechanical fixings to Glass Vice specifications using timber or structural tiles as the overlay. Create a clear vision with a clear line frameless glass balustrade. Construct the no-weld vertical batten system to Glass Vice specifications in order to achieve balustrade rating. The crossbar runs at 1 metre high to run in line with the glass balustrade. The top brace is fastened into place at the desired height with waterproof fixings, followed by the batten backing plates. Lastly, clip the fins into place. With a range of sizes available, the Glass Vice Fixed Vertical Batten Screen System gives you the ability to create a textured bespoke design. Continue the system above the joinery for a pergola ceiling or utilise the system for window shrouds or sliding screens. Inquire today at glassvice.com.